Question 2. Part 1. Based on the given standard electrode potential values, arrange the following metals in order of increasing reactivity. Explain how electrode potential relates to metal reactivity. Electrochemical series, given, Mg plus 2 ion gain 2 electrons and form Mg metal. Electrode potential is minus 2.37. Cu plus 2 ion gain 2 electrons and form Cu metal. Electrode potential is plus 0.34 Ni plus 2 ion gain 2 electron and form Ni metal. Electrode potential is minus 0.25. Increasing reactivity order. Copper less than nickel less than magnesium. More negative electrode potential value is more reactive metal. Magnesium has most negative and most reactive. Copper has positive and least reactive. A gas sample has a volume of 72 cubic decimeters at room temperature and pressure. How many moles of gas does it contain? Given volume equals 72 cubic decimeters. At room temperature and pressure, RTP, the molar volume of a gas is approximately 1 mole of gas equals 24 dm cubed. Number of moles equals volume divided by molar volume. Therefore 72 divided by 24 equals 3 moles. Hint: at RTP, always remember, 24 cubic decimeters equals 1 mole. Just divide the given volume by 24. Question 2. Part 2. The contact process is an industrial method for sulfuric acid production. A. Write the balanced symbol equation for conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide in the contact process. 2SO2 plus O2 produced 2SO3b. Identify the sources of sulfur dioxide and oxygen in this process. Sources of sulfur dioxide. 1. Burning of sulfur. 2. Roasting of sulfide ores. C. What are the typical conditions for the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide? Conditions are: 1. Temperature, 450 degrees Celsius. 2. Catalyst, V2O5, vanadium pentoxide. 3. Pressure, 1 to 2 atm. A. What is molarity? How can you convert molarity to gram per cubic decimeter? Definition: molarity equals moles of solute per cubic decimeter of solution. Conversion: 1 cubic decimeter equals 1000 cc. B. What is the molarity of a solution made by dissolving 98 grams of hydrogen sulfate in 1 cubic decimeter of water? Molar mass of H2SO4 equals 98 grams per mole. Mass of H2SO4 equals 98 grams. Molar mass equals 98 grams per mole. Moles equals 98/98 equals 1 cubic decimeter. Therefore, molarity equals 1 over 1 equals 1 m. Question 2. Part 3. A sample of calcium carbonate CaCO3 contains 20 grams of calcium. What is the mass of carbon dioxide? CO2, produced when the calcium carbonate is heated. CaCO3 decomposition. Equation: CaCO3 decomposed and prod 7 UCEDCAO plus CO2. Given mass is 20 grams of CaCO3. Molar mass of CaCO3 is 100 grams per mole. Number of moles equals 20 divided by 100 equals 0.2 moles. 1 mole of CaCO3 equal to 1 mole CO2. Therefore, 0.2 mole of CaCO3 equal to 0.2 mole of CO2. Molar mass of CO2 equals 44. Mass equals 0.2 times 44 equals 8.8 grams. Mass of carbon dioxide, CO2, produced 8.8 g. Draw structural formula of following. A. Pent-2-ene. C3CH double bond CH2CH3b. But 1OL. CH3CH2CH2CH2OH circa pentanoic acid. CH3CHCHCHCOOH. Question 2. Part 4. A. What is a polymer? Polymer. A polymer is a large molecule formed by repeating small units, monomers. B. Name the basic building blocks of polymers. Monomers. Monomers are small molecules that join together to form polymers. C. Which polymer is commonly used to make plastic bottles? Bottle polymer. polyethylene, polythene. Draw the structure showing how protein molecule is formed, clearly highlighting the peptide linkages within the structure. Protein structure. Proteins are formed by amino acids. Linkage. Peptide bond, CONH. Amino acids joined via peptide linkage. Question 2. Part 5. Write the chemical equations for the reactions of A. Zinc with steam, Zn plus H2O, steam, produced ZnO plus H2B. Magnesium with hydrochloric acid, Mg plus 2HCl, produced MgCl2 plus H2. C. Sodium with cold water, 2Na plus 2H2O, produced 2NaOH plus H2. A. What are the reactants in a hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell? Hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell. Reactants: hydrogen, H2, and oxygen, O2, B. Which electrode in a hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell undergoes oxidation? Electrode, anode, hydrogen electrode, oxidation C. Write the overall reaction equation for a hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell. Overall reaction: 2H2 plus O2 produced 2H2O.